For Canada specifically, it's almost a $20 billion industry, and the government still hasn't issued a meaningful response. He claimed the hike would secure steel in the United States and made it very clear no one would bypass the new barrier. The announcement came as negotiations with China were collapsing and Trump needed a domestic political win. Canada exports nearly all of its aluminum to the US, over 3 million tons specifically, and this is annually. And roughly 1/4 of all US steel imports into the US come from Canada. These tariffs threaten one of Canada's most valuable manufacturing sector. When tariffs were set at 25%, US prices rose by at least 16%. Canadian suppliers lost clients, automotive production slowed down, and layoffs began. But at 50%, the Canadian Steel Producers Association says the US market effectively shuts down. That's half of Canada's steel exports gone basically overnight. An announcement came after markets closed Friday. So at this point, no financial reaction could have been priced in. But now, this morning, we notably saw companies heavily reliant on steel and aluminum, such as GM and Tesla, experience stock declines of around 1%. This is due to anticipated increases in material costs, and steel and the Dow fell by 200 points. These market movements reflect investor concerns over the potential for increased production costs, supply chain disruptions, and escalating trade tensions resulting from the new tariffs.